Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to reset Byju SD card. So guys, go to Windows and search for create, as you can see here, and from a hard disk click this one, and from here click right mouse and click on format. After that guys, you see this option on the screen. As you can see here, you see two options and TFS, as you can see here. If you have this one, if you have 64 gigabyte SD, make sure you choose this one, XF80, and it is 32 gigabyte SD card. You can there choose an TFS, as you can see here, and TFS on even FAT 32 choose, and then you make sure guys to go on perform quick form and then click OK. As you can see here, this is if you have 64 gigabyte, make sure this one, click on this one. If you have 32 gigabyte, choose this one option. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video for you, then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.